You're right there guys, it's Andrew here at the Car Audio Centre in Nottingham. We've just fitted the brand new top spec Kenwood DNN9150DAB unit into a Mercedes Sprinter, which is also a new van, 2014 plate. We have here the DAB antenna, which is nice and neatly tucked out of the way, and the brand new Kenwood unit, which features Garmin sat-nav, Wi-Fi, phone integration, speech integration. You've got your normal features like your Bluetooth. Let's go home. So sort of an Android-based operating system like the previous models. Has music applications and other featured apps. It's a face-off unit as well, so that display will fully be removed, as you'll see. And you've got obviously the CD disc drive hidden away. You've got your normal features such as your iPod. It is a DAB unit, so it's up to date, ready to go, future proof. You've got your Garmin sat-nav, and as a little demo we can test out the speech.
Say a command.
Find McDonald's.
Find place.
Find place. That's the right one.
Say the name of the place.
Starbucks.
Did you say Starbucks?
Yes.
Searching for Starbucks. Select a line number.
1.
Would you like to begin navigation?
Yes.
Start new route or add to the active route.
New route. Start new route.
Please drive to highlighted route.